Yo, what's going on, guys? It's West here. So Newbie Drone sent me the F4 V3 TinyWhoop, and here's what the original one looks like right here. I made some improvements to it though, so this is what I've done. I 3D printed a canopy for it, and it's a 50-degree canopy, so it's like much better flying for me. I know I love 50-degree camera angle, and the stock is like 30, I think. I could be wrong about that, but this just feels so much this feels just so much more smoother than the 30. I like on 30-degree camera angle, I feel like a bunny rabbit. On this one, it's like all fluid for me. But so yeah, that I mean, this canopy doesn't really save that much weight compared to the original. I'll be honest with you. It's just purely for like the camera degree angle. This little antenna right in the back here is a nice layer of protection for the camera coming back and like smacking the board. I also wrap the ELRS antenna up through the camera, so that really doesn't get pulled around that much. This thing is a tank. I was flying this the other day testing it out, and I had some crazy crashes. I wish I had my SD card in because I straight smashed into the table and knocked everything off of it, and I broke a bi-blade propeller. Like I don't even know how you do that. So I don't have any more bi-blade propellers for this, but that was gonna be like my next upgrade suggestion is get some bi-blades. They're pretty nice, especially in like racing. It's so much control. The other upgrade I did was I got the Newbie Drone Light AF frame. This thing is like so nice. It's so durable. Like it hasn't cracked yet. Like I've had some crazy crashes where I'm like, oh man, that's gonna be broken. Like I'm gonna have a cracked frame or something, and I walk over and it's completely fine. So I definitely recommend this frame I'm using. Very nice. I hope you guys liked watching this. I'm gonna put up some footage of me racing around in the backyard. I'll be using tri blades for it, so it's not gonna be as good as flying if I had bi blades. But I'll put some footage up of me like freestyling around on bi blades. See if you can like notice the difference of it or something. But yeah, subscribe and like, and I hope to do some more Tiny Whoop videos soon.